Shenzhen EJEAS Technology Company Limited, a professional manufacturer specialized in designing, developing, and producing Bluetooth communication system with 13 years experience in this field, from motorbike, bicycle, referees. EJEAS is committed to building the top international brand in Bluetooth intercom industry and gaining a high reputation all over the world as a pioneer. Feature a strong and innovative R&D team with 13 years industry experience. Possess a complete set of system to produce the products from the original PCB plate processing, resistance component welding, detecting, and refrigerating for making the whole production perfect and avoiding mistakes. Equipped with professional specialists to undertake and supervise every single steps in order to keep the product perfectly used when it comes out. Relying on the abundant strength, superior quality products, reasonable price, and efficient service, EJEAS has been highly recognized by a host of customers and established a stable business relationship with a number of well-known helmet factories, both at home and abroad. EJEAS contains all the dreams and hopes of our members, and we insist on the road of independent innovation. We are not for the best, but for the better and better. Shenzhen EJEAS team sincerely welcomes all the customers, clients, and friends to visit us and build up a long-term and incredible cooperation relationship together. To be the industry's top, to create the top outdoor communication brand of the world. Go, go, go!